I just thought of another good use for this orange kerchief, and that's as a "don't shoot me" kerchief. I'm about to head out on a hike, and I just heard gunshots, small caliber, coming from west of me. So since I'll be hiking in that direction, I think an orange bandana is a good thing to wear on my head. So I've been gathering twigs in my bandana. And there you have it. A pillow kerchief or a sit-upon kerchief. The Dave and Cody kerchief. Alright, let me show you how to fold and stitch the Versa-Kerchief. This will not be to scale. On each corner you fold the corner in, and I allow 4 inches from here to this corner. That'll allow you enough room to fold your sleeve. Then I stitch an outside triangle and I stitch an inside triangle to give it strength. The next step is to fold over the hem piece, and of course if you iron this down it'll stay in place. And once you've done that, fold it one more time to make the sleeve, and then just stitch, come over the end here, double sew this, back sew it, and then forward sew it, and sew in the hem so it's folded under and you're sewing on top of it, and that automatically makes, of course, the sleeve. So if you wanted to stitch along here or stitch the hem before you fold it, of course you could, and it would make it stronger. Then the remaining piece, once you've got it made, right here in the middle, punch a hole and put in a grommet or eyelet. Here's what it looks like when it's finished. You'll notice I'm not a particularly good sewing machine operator, but it's very functional. To thread the paracord through the sleeves, just put a diaper pin in it, and that makes it much easier to just slide it through.